The 2021 Maxi Yacht Rolex Cup concluded today in Porto, Sardinia, having produced exhilarating yacht racing of the very highest calibre. An impressive 44-strong fleet divided into 5 classes put on a dazzling display of prowess and performance, providing the colour and spectacle for which the event is so universally admired. And there were winners. Velshida in the Super Maxi class, after a regatta-long duel with Topaz, provided some of the closest J-class racing in recent years. Magic Carpet Cubed in the Maxi class, posting top 3 finishes all week. Dario Ferrari's Cannonball in the Mini Maxi 1 class. And finally Capricorno and Lyra in Mini Maxi classes 2 and 3. And with success come the rewards. But perhaps the greatest winner was the Maxi Yacht Rolex Cup itself. The determination of the organisers, the Yacht Club Costa Smeralda and the International Maxi Association, to pull off this event in such style. The unwavering passion of the owners who attended in such great numbers, and the professional commitment of the world's best sailors who ensured that the racing on the water produced a spirit-lifting regatta that will live long in the memory.